recently, I was noticing that with my Intel stock cooler, my temps have been at up to like 95 degrees Celsius while editing. And, well, that isn't actually catastrophic. It's still pretty terrible. And so I hopped on Amazon. I went to buy the cheapest CPU cooler that I thought would be half decent. And I ended up with the Arctic Freezer 33 eSports one. And since I don't get much, hardware at all, I thought I might as well do a quick unboxing for my channel. Okay, so you can see it right here in its box. I don't have great lighting. It's pretty weird, so you don't get a very good look at it. Here's in the box, the Arctic Freezer 33 eSports 1, as I said, Tower CPU cooler with Bionics fan. Now, Arctic's, I know, has some pretty good stuff for pretty cheap. That's kind of their specialty. So I hope this one's good. I guess maybe I'll put benchmarks in the video when I do it. But, like, anything's going to be better than an Intel stock cooler, right? Except for possibly some OEM fans. So, what do we have in the box? Right here is the actual cooler. Pretty hefty, pretty nice. It has 24 heat pipes. Got a sticker on the bottom that says not to remove. I was actually kind of disappointed because I think it said on the Amazon page that it would have thermal paste on it, but it doesn't. So I guess I'll have to do it myself. But it does come with thermal paste, just not on the thing to begin with, so that's too bad. Anyway, here we go. There's the cord for it. It has two port thingies. I don't know why, maybe for two fans. I'm not too familiar with CPU coolers, so I don't really know. We've got a little accessory box in here. Let's see what we got. Here's the bracket. Sorry, I gotta get it out so I can show you. Here's the bracket. Here, I guess this is for an additional fan if you would like to install one. Boom. Here's some screws. Here is more bracket stuff, I guess. I think so. Yeah, definitely. I really don't know what this is for, but maybe it's... I really don't know. It's like a sticky thing. It's got little pads on it, so maybe that's for another fan as well. Here's some screws for various Intel motherboards. These are the ones I'll be using since I have an i7-4770, which I believe is 1155. And, of course, the thermal paste. Sorry, hard to see. And then, we got a couple extra screws for something or other. Now, I don't think it has instructions in box, but there's this little card that came with it, but I guess, okay, so it tells you a website to go to, so I guess I will go there, and that's the end of this little unboxing. I probably will just put this down as a weekly video when I'm lazy.